Hello everyone, this is Paul Harvey from TradeAlgo, where we harness the power of advanced computing and elite artificial intelligence to give you an edge in the stock market. Our focus is dark pools, the hidden trading arenas of big banks, institutions, and hedge funds. These are places where significant trades happen, away from public eyes, often leaving retail traders scrambling, but not anymore. Here at TradeAlgo, we are all about leveling the playing field. Our cutting-edge AI sifts through massive amounts of data in real time, monitoring the large, medium, and small cap stocks of the stock market, both the trending up and trending downsides of the equation. Let's go ahead and dive right into TradeAlgo's top picks of the day. So popping up on top of the TradeAlgo dashboard, we have SMCI, super microcomputers. Popping up on top of the TradeAlgo trending upside of the dashboard with over 283% institutional bullish activity. Now, there's no wonder this $48 billion stock went up 11% today as a result of getting this massive amount of institutional activity. Being a TradeAlgo client, you would have seen SMCI on top of the dashboard here as early as 9:29 in the morning, having over double the amount of institutional transactions that are usually going to go in it. Here at 9:29 in the morning is when our software picks up on SMCI and puts it on the dashboard. Going and following along with this institutional information, you see a massive rise in SMCI on the day here today, and a massive rise here in general. Following along with what institutions were doing today, however, going and seeing that TradeAlgo picked up on SMCI having $5.35 billion in institutional volume, and then going to a 7-day average and seeing they're only doing about $188 billion on the 7-day average. Following along with these opportunities is unmatched. We see quadruple digit returns across the board. Going and following along here, even with the $945 call today, going and utilizing this next generation of information, really able to get in at any point in time here today after 9:30, after TradeAlgo recognizes it. You could have got in right at market open and taken this trade for a phenomenal 649% return, or you could have done even a shorter amount of time, hopped on TradeAlgo during your lunch break and taken this for a quick 179% return. Regardless, you had the information at 9:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and you guys are able to get into the trade and execute. Now, right underneath SMCI on the dashboard, we had micro strategies as well. So we had micro strategies popping up on the dashboard with over 235% institutional trending up volume. Now, this stock had gone up 8.3% on the day as a result. A massive rise for a $23 billion stock. Going and following along with this institutional activity, you'll see that TradeAlgo picked up on MSTR here in the morning, just as the market was opening here as well. So we'll see at 9:49 Eastern Standard Time, MSTR had over double the amount of institutional activity that it's normally going to get at 9:49 in the morning. MSTR having a parabolic rise here going into the day. Today, SMCI doing $1.68 billion in institutional volume. On a 7-day average, they're only doing about $707 million. Going and following along with this institutional activity would have yielded you triple-digit returns across the board. Let's take a look at the $1,500 call with great open interest. Going and following along with TradeAlgo's next generation of artificial intelligence here today would have given you a basket full of money just to hang on to as the day progressed. Getting into 9:30 in the morning, taking this trade for a potential 466% return on the options contract. Now going and following along with this on even a shorter level, getting in for a shorter amount of time here, starting in the middle of the day, even catching a quick 86% return is phenomenal. Stop getting your information too slow. Start utilizing the same systems that banks and hedge funds use so they can get an edge in the market. Thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow.